Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to book a ticket in Empire State Building. So let's get started. So first of all, you go on in their website right there. And after that, what you have to do is press on buy tickets. And after that, you scroll down and basically you gotta choose which ticket you wanted to buy. So there is basically a lot of floors in here and it'll show you the most popular. If you have a specific one, you might want to search for it. Other than that, it will be all the same when it comes to buying. So basically, you're gonna press on buy tickets. And after that, you gotta scroll down and press on go to checkout. And in here, it will be asking you for your information. After confirming how many tickets that you want, you basically gonna press on here and confirm your payment method that you want. So if you have PayPal, you're gonna pay with it. If you have a credit card, it's totally up to you. And after that, you fill in your information and then you gotta press on place order. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.